Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Pumasok na po tayo sa ikatlong linggo ng Advento. Mga kapatid, huwag po nating kakalimutang magdasal at magsimba. The birth of our Lord is always an occasion of gathering us together, of uniting us as a community of believers. And most especially, the birth of our Lord is an occasion that brings joy to our life. And so, the tone of our celebration today, third Sunday of Advent, which is also called Gaudete Sunday, meaning to rejoice. Magalak agrag-o. We are invited to rejoice because we are nearing to the feast of the birth or nativity of our God. And so this is the only atmosphere that we should have as we come near to the birthday of our Lord. I believe all of us want to be happy. Lahat naman tayo naghahanap ng kaligayahan. Sa paglagay ko, wala po sa atin dito ang ayaw ng kaligayahan. Kung ayaw nyo po, itaas nyo po ang inyong mga paa. Pero lahat po tayo gusto ng kaligayahan. We search for happiness. And so we ask the question, how can we find true happiness? Our gospel teaches us how to find happiness. And if we would like to find true happiness, then we must ask two fundamental questions to ourselves, which are also asked in our gospel today. The first is, who am I? And the second is, why am I doing what I am doing? In other words, these two fundamental questions are questions on identity and purpose. And so if we would like to find true happiness, let us try to search our answers to these two fundamental questions. Yung una, sino ba tayo? Who am I? Question on identity. Tinanong si John the Baptist, are you the Christ? Are you the Messiah? Are you the prophet? Are you the one whom we are waiting? And the simple answer of John the Baptist, no, it is not I. Nagpakatotoo siya. Pwede naman niyang akuhin yon. Yung sabihin niya, ako nga yung hinihintay niyo. Or to take credit of the praises. Which is marami sa atin yan. Gusto, nasa atin nakatuon yung palakpak, yung credit ng success, ng activities. Pero si John the Baptist, nagpakatotoo siya sa kanyang sarili. Na hindi siya ang kanilang hinihintay. Siya lamang ay naparito upang magbigay ng patotoo sa Misaya at sa ilaw. Kaya mahalaga po na sa ating paghanap ng katanungan kung sino ba tayo, ay sana yung maging totoo tayo. Alam niyo po, wala pong nagiging masaya sa namumuhay sa kasinungalingan. Wala pong nagiging masaya kapag tayo ay namumuhay sa kalokohan. True happiness is only possible when we are true to ourselves. Alam niyo, ang pinaka-miserableng pwedeng gawin ng tao sa kanyang sarili ay ang lokohin mismo ang kanyang sarili. Hindi yung magpapakamatay o manloko ng ibang tao. But the most miserable thing that a person can do to his or her life is to be hypocrite. To fake his own self. Kaya po, walang kaligayahan kapag hindi tayo totoo sa ating sarili. It is only when we are truthful to ourselves that we can find happiness. Pangalawa po, tinanong ng mga eskriba o Pariseo kay Juan Bautista, "Why then are you baptizing?" Question of purpose. And he simply said, "Ginagawa ko lang to, I'm doing this to prepare the way. I'm doing this for the one who is to come." Malinaw sa kanyang purpose niya, yung kanyang ginagawa. Kaya po, once our identity is clear to us, then what we do, what we say, are always affected. The truth about ourselves influences how we act, how we communicate or talk. Kaya po pag ito yung identity natin, malinaw din na ito yung magiging purpose natin. Kaya po nagiging masaya tayo sa ating ginagawa kasi malinaw sa atin, dito tayo lalago, dito tayo magiging totoo, dito tayo magiging tunay na malaya. And so whatever we do, once we are enjoying it, it is because malinaw sa atin kung sino tayo. Our identity directs our purpose in life. And so my dear brothers and sisters, if you would like to search for our happiness, let's try to answer these two fundamental questions. The question on identity and the question on purpose. Upang sa ganon, nakita natin kung sino ba tayo at kung ano yung may kabuluhan sa buhay natin. May we find true happiness in the Lord. May we find happiness in preparing ourselves for the coming of our Lord. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.